How to buy USDT with PayPal. So to start, what you need to do is to open a browser, and then in here you'll have to search for paxful.com. And then once you're on the website, what you need to do is to register to an account or log into your account. And then after that, you will be given two choices, buy and sell option. What you need to do is to tap on the buy option. And then in here, since we're buying USDT, what you need to do is to change this from Bitcoin to Tether. To do that, tap on the arrow icon and then choose this Tether option. And then after that, we'll have to choose a payment method. To do that, tap on these three lines. And then in here, if PayPal is popular to your country, PayPal option will automatically appear here. But if you don't see PayPal here, what you need to do is to tap on this online wallets option and then simply tap on the PayPal option. In here, you will have to input how much you want to spend, but if you want to find offers, simply tap on this find offers option. After that, it will show you here a variety of offers. And then what you need to do is to simply select an offer. Once you have decided to an offer, simply tap on the buy option. And then in here, you will have to input how much you want to spend and then how much USDT you want to receive. And then after that, you will have to tap on this start verification option so they can verify your email and then phone number. So that's how easy you can buy USDT with PayPal. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!